Sharon Jurd and welcome to my Biz Blitz video, and today I wanted to share with you 3 things you need to know as a speaker. So if you're speaking one-on-one, boardroom or larger crowds, there's a couple of little things that you need to know to make sure you're the best speaker you can be. And you may have heard that I run a 3-day event called Grow Your Speaking Biz workshop, and we go over loads and loads and loads of things that cover off on you being a great speaker, but I wanted to share 3 of those things with you today. Firstly, you need to be in speaker state. If you are not in speaker state when you go on stage, whatever emotions are going on inside of you will be projected out to the people you're talking to. And if you think you can just consciously just not think about it, that is not going to happen. As a speaker, you can be at the back of the room and someone shares something with you that's quite emotional. It may, affect you, or you may have some connection with that story. You cannot then walk straight up onto stage and expect to give your best presentation ever, because that emotion will show through unconsciously to the people in the audience. They'll sort of go, I don't know whether, there's something about her. I don't know. I'll leave it. So make sure that you have a ritual to get yourself into speaker state right before you go on stage, to make sure that you're in the right mindset for what you're about to deliver. The other thing is, once you get on stage, make sure you have a default stance. And a lot of speakers consciously don't think about how they're standing or what their default. Where are their hands? Are they just down beside them? Are they here? Are they out here? What is it for them? And where do they stand on the stage? Is it to the right? Is it to the left? So there is a real strategy around where you need to be in front of your audiences when you're delivering certain things to them. And that's what I share with my speakers in my SMJ Coaching Institute, is having a real strategy about your movements and your default stance when on stage. And thirdly, your stories. People say to me, I've got a story to share. They come to me and I say, yep, I can help you with that. They tell me their story, and what we need to do is cut and paste bits and pieces of your story to make sure that it's relevant for the people in the audience, because it's a great story for you, but a lot of times the stuff that you're sharing as a speaker, it's not relevant or not important or doesn't have a meaning for the people in the room. So you've got to make sure that your stories are really structured well to get them to sit up, take notice, you build rapport, and get them to want to do some business with you if you're selling from the stage. I've seen loads and loads of speakers with great stories, but it is not structured to get the outcome you need in the room. So there's my 3 tips for today. 1, make sure you have a ritual around getting into speaker state before you get on the phone, before you do a Zoom hookup, before you get on stage, whatever it is, make sure you're in the right state. Secondly, make sure you know what your default stance is, where you're going to be on stage in the room, and how you consciously work that throughout your presentation. And thirdly, make sure that your story is very structured and that it is giving relevant information that has a direct strategic outcome at the end of your presentation. So I hope this has been of value to you. If you think it's of value to your friends, family or colleagues, please share this video, because I want to help as many people as I can. I'm Sharon Jurd, and I'll talk soon.